Have you ever struggled to align an icon and text in your menu using Semantic UI? It can be quite a challenge, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and show you how to achieve that perfect vertical alignment. I completely understand your frustration. It's annoying when your icons and text don't align properly, especially when you want everything to look just right. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I vertically align an icon and text in a menu item using Semantic UI React? They provided their HTML and JSX code, but the text always seems to be at the top. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this alignment issue? Often it comes down to CSS styles not being applied correctly or the structure of your components. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand how to fix it. And don't go anywhere. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To vertically align the icon and text in the menu item, the user should first ensure that the parent container has the correct CSS properties. Specifically, they need to set the display property to flex. Next, the user should adjust the icon's size and margin to ensure it aligns properly with the text. This can be done by adding some margin to the icon. Now the user should apply these styles to the menu.item component in their JSX. This will ensure that the icon and text are displayed correctly. Finally, the user should test the changes in their application. They can adjust the icon size and observe how the text remains vertically centered. Did you know? Flexbox was introduced in CSS3 to help with layout issues just like this one. It's a game changer for web design. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests wrapping the text in a span element. This adjustment can help achieve vertical alignment between the icon and the text in your menu item. Here's the tip I promised. Always use Flexbox for layout when dealing with icons and text. It simplifies alignment and makes your life a lot easier. And there you have it. Your icon and text should now be perfectly aligned. Remember, using Flexbox can save you a lot of headaches in the future. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Semantic UI techniques.